to log in to Everyday Rewards. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log in to Everyday Rewards. Now first things first, what you'll have to know is you can easily create an account using the Everyday Rewards website or the application. You can get the Everyday Rewards on the store, and once you download the application you can open it up and you can sign up. Now once you sign up, in order to log in is quite easy. So once you log out, all you have to do is when you open up the Everyday Rewards application, if you're not signed in, you'll get two different options, that is sign in and log in. So basically if you're not signed in, it'll ask you to create a new account. If you do have account, then it'll ask you to sign in. Simply tap on sign in or login option there if you already have an account, and then there it'll ask you for your email and password. You can either use your email or you can use your Everyday Rewards card number, and then you can enter in your password that you have set up, and then you can log in easily. Now in here I won't be able to show you because there is some kind of server error currently going on and I won't be able to show you, but that is how you can do it. So this way you can log into Everyday Rewards. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.